Hi there, my name's Chrissie Sains and I'm the author of An Alien in the Jam Factory, and I'm going to be reading you a small extract today from chapter 3. Now the thing that's happened at the moment is Scooter, our chief inventor Scooter, has just discovered that there's somebody has maybe broken in through a window into the factory, and he's found that it is a tiny little orange alien. And this is the moment when they first meet. The alien and Scooter held each other's gaze for a moment before slowly the alien reached down and lifted up some kind of... Scooter peered forwards. What was that? It looked a bit like a megaphone, like a tiny version of the one that his PE teacher, Mr. Longconk, spoke into on sports day to make it sound like he was a professional commentator, when actually it just gave him a way to shout at people even louder than usual. Scooter watched as the alien lifted it up and aimed it at his face. Maybe it wasn't a megaphone. Perhaps it was some kind of ray gun, and Scooter was about to get blasted into a million tiny pieces. But before he had a chance to consider this any further, the alien leant forwards and... "Put that cookie down!" A robotic girl's voice blasted out of it. Scooter frowned. Cookie? What cookie? He checked his hands. Nope, no cookies there. He looked behind him, first over one shoulder, then the other. No, there were no cookies. He turned back to the alien, more than a little confused. She, on the other hand, seemed highly pleased with herself, raising one eyebrow and nodding sagely, and giving the megaphone a proud little pat. Then she crossed her arms and waited politely for Scooter to reply. Scooter opened his mouth to say something, then clamped it shut again. He peered at the megaphone thing in the alien's hand. Not a ray gun then. Some kind of shouty tool after all. Perhaps even some kind of alien translator. Except it seemed to be broken, because Scooter didn't want to think badly of the alien, but if truth be told, "Put that cookie down" didn't feel like the friendliest of greetings. The little alien's confident smile dropped, just a little. She glanced sideways at the megaphone and gave it a frustrated little shake. "Ahoy there, beep, namaste, whir, howdy-doodle, crackle. Wash your hands right now, young man." The alien jumped. Queech, crunch, beep, bop. She shoved it behind her back and fixed a reassuring smile on her face. "Sup, home slice?" A robotic voice came from behind her. Scooter giggled. The alien giggled too, albeit a little sheepishly. "Sup," Scooter replied, tilting his head forward and smiling reassuringly. "I'm Scooter." He put his hand to his chest. "Scooter," he repeated. The alien put the megaphone down beside her on the jam tart, pointed to Scooter with her little arm and repeated softly, "Scooter." "Yes, that's right," Scooter nodded. She put her hand to her chest like Scooter had done. "Fizzbee," she smiled eagerly. "Fizzbee," Scooter repeated. As he spoke her name, her whole face beamed with pleasure. She flew the jam tart into the air in delight before flying around his head, chuckling. Well, there you go. That is the moment that Scooter and Fizzbee first meet. I really hope you enjoyed hearing it. Thanks very much for listening. Thank you. Bye.